Wyclef on the warm-up with Remy Martin. We the producer series there. Trying to, flexing the skills and all that. Yeah.
Once again, shout out to Remy Martin. Producer Series Season 2. Big D, the weatherman, officially in the building already. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a show right now that you get. Remy Martin Producer Series Season 2. Wyclef Jean Rainbow on stage right now. They just playing around right now too. One life lived down. Celebrate those who are multi-talented. In case you don't know yet, man, shout out to Serena Williams that just won Wimbledon. Once again, shout out Serena Williams who just won her 7th Wimbledon. Live on stage right now. Goes by the name of Wyclef Jean. The guy that moved goes by the name of DJ Rainbow. Your host for the evening is Charlamagne the God. I'm going in with Jim Claxton, man. They won't be long. I'm live.